Welcome to this guide on the Kotlin Standard Library. The Kotlin Standard Library is a powerful collection of essential tools and functions that comes built into every Kotlin project. It provides everything you need for everyday Kotlin development, from working with collections to manipulating strings, and much more. The best part is that you don't need to install or import anything extra. It's automatically available in every Kotlin application you create. Let's explore what the standard library offers. First, we have higher-order functions like let, apply, run, with, and also. These functions help you write clean and idiomatic Kotlin code. Second, there are extension functions that provide powerful query operations for collections and sequences. Third, the library includes comprehensive string and character utilities for all your text manipulation needs. Finally, it provides JDK extensions that enhance file operations, input-output handling, and threading capabilities, making Java interoperability seamless and efficient. The collections framework is one of the most important parts of the Kotlin Standard Library. It provides three main collection types. List is an ordered collection that allows duplicate elements, perfect for maintaining sequences of items. Set is a collection of unique elements with no duplicates allowed, ideal when you need to ensure uniqueness. Map stores key-value pairs where each key is unique, making it perfect for associative data structures like dictionaries or lookup tables. Kotlin's Standard Library provides powerful operations to transform and query collections. The map function transforms each element in a collection, such as doubling all numbers in a list. The filter function selects elements that meet specific criteria, like extracting only even numbers. The reduce function combines all elements into a single result, such as calculating the sum of all numbers. These operations make working with collections both expressive and efficient. Scope functions are special functions that execute code blocks within the context of an object. The standard library provides 5 main scope functions: let, run, with, apply, and also. Each has a specific purpose. These functions help you write more concise and readable code by reducing boilerplate and making your intentions clear. They're especially useful for null safety checks, object configuration, and chaining operations together. Let's see how each scope function works in practice. The let function is commonly used with nullable types to safely transform values. It accesses the object using it and returns the result of the lambda. The apply function is perfect for configuring objects. It accesses the object using this and returns the object itself. The run function combines features of both. It uses this for context and returns the lambda result. The also function is used for side effects like logging. It uses it to access the object and returns the object unchanged. Extension functions are one of Kotlin's most powerful features provided by the standard library. They allow you to add new functionality to existing classes without modifying their source code or using inheritance. In this example, we've created a custom extension function called removeFirstLast that removes the first and last characters from a string. Extension functions make your code more expressive and allow you to extend even built-in types like string, list, or int with your own custom operations. Sequences provide lazy evaluation for efficient processing of large collections. Unlike regular collection operations that execute immediately, sequences evaluate operations only when the final result is actually needed. In this example, we create a sequence from a range of 1 to 1000, then apply multiple transformations, mapping, filtering, and taking only the first 5 elements. Because sequences are lazy, these operations don't execute on all 1000 elements. Instead, they process only as many elements as necessary to produce the final result, making them much more efficient for large datasets or expensive operations. The standard library provides a rich set of string manipulation utilities that make text processing simple and intuitive. The trim function removes leading and trailing whitespace from a string. The uppercase function converts all characters to uppercase. The split function breaks a string into a list of substrings based on a delimiter. The contains function checks whether a substring exists within the string. The replace function substitutes one substring with another throughout the entire string. These utilities cover most common string operations you'll need in everyday programming. Let's recap what we've learned about the Kotlin Standard Library. First, it provides a rich collection of functions and utilities for everyday Kotlin development, making common tasks simple and efficient. Second, it enables idiomatic programming patterns through scope functions and extension functions, helping you write clean, expressive code. Third, it offers powerful collection operations for transforming and querying data with ease. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, the standard library requires no additional imports. It's automatically included in every Kotlin project, ready to use from day one. Mastering the standard library is essential for becoming a proficient Kotlin developer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.